Tower, good afternoon. JetBlue A320, visual 1 right.
JetBlue 77, Las Vegas Tower, wind 070 at 10, gust 15, runway 1 right, clear line.
1 right, clear line, JetBlue A77.
Plus 176, Las Vegas Tower, runway 7 left at Alpha 8, line of way report, company on the roll in sight.
Runway 7 left at Alpha 8, company in sight, Southwest 176.
Clear 5 Lima Victor, turn left at November ground point 1.
Southwest 176, maintain visual separation, wind 080 at 8, gust 15, runway 7 left at Alpha 8, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 7 left at Alpha 8, Walker, Southwest 176.
Southwest 3149, kind of departures here.
Departure 31400.
First at 1788, turn right at November, kind of ground point 1.
Ground point 1 in November, we're 1788.
Southwest 176, kind of departures here.
See you, Southwest 176.
United 640 Las Vegas Tower, wind 07010, gust 15, runway 7 left at Alpha 8, clear for takeoff.
7 left, Alpha 8,
Tower, exit 776 with you, visual 1 left.
Exit 776, Las Vegas Tower, wind 070 at 10, gust 15, runway 1 left, clear line.
1 left, clear land, 776.
Good afternoon, Idaho 26, 7.5 out for the 1 right.
Idaho 26, Las Vegas Tower, cross right turbines, Airbus A320, short final, wind 060 at 10, gust 15, runway 1 right, clear line.
Clear land 1 right, Idaho 26.
American 425, hold short, runway 1 right.
Hold short, 1 right, American 425.
Ship 1467, maintain visual separation, wind 060 at 8, gust 15, runway 7 left at Alpha 8, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Alpha 8, 7 left, Ship 1467.
Vega Tower, good afternoon, Polaris 960, final runway 1 left.
Polaris 960, Las Vegas Tower, following a Challenger, short final, wind 060 at 7, gust 15, runway 1 left, clear line.
Clear to land, runway 1 left, Polaris 960.
JetBlue 877, ground point 1.
Second 420. Approximately 12:55 p.m. We can ask you to please remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened until we are parked at the gate and the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening your headbands as items tend to move during the flight. If you have a back tire receipt that says claim on gate, you may claim those items outside the front aircraft door. For those customers that need a special assistance playing the aircraft or need a wheelchair, we kindly ask you to please remain seated until the end so that we may better assist you. At this time, we're open to use your cell phone, considerably accessible. And the next time you're online, please visit us at JetBlue.com for newest routes, lowest possible fares, information on TrueBlue customer loyalty program. On behalf of all of the JetBlue Airways, especially JFK base crew, thank you for choosing JetBlue today, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you and welcome to Las Vegas.